So kaya meron iba sweet, meron smooth. So ito na ang ating pick-up line segment. And this is called Flirty or Thirsty. So syempre simple lang yung mechanics natin. All we have to do is look at our LED screen, okay? Okay, tatayo ako para makita lang ng lahat, okay? And then Brent, check ka lang, okay? So then we will show pick-up lines na sinabit ninyo, tapos sasabihin ni Brent kung flirty ba yun or thirsty. Okay, are you ready, Brent?
Ready, let's go.
Okay. Pick-up line number 1, Brent. Okay, let's see. Okay, pwede mo basahin, Brent. Are you ready?
Chicken ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw lang nasa puso ko kahit chicken mo ba?
Yes. Yes.
Sabay, sabay. Chicken ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw lang nasa puso ko kahit chicken mo ba?
Uy, pero sabihin naman yung bakit. Okay.
I would say it's flirty.
Flirty. Cute naman siya.
Cute lang, oo.
Like for example,
Chill
kung
lang
sinabi yung na-crush mo sa'yo to, okay sa'yo.
Ako naman.
Okay sa'yo. Okay. Flirty. Thank you so much, Jack. Next up. Let's see.
From Sansadi. Buwan ka ba? Kasi kahit malayo ka, gusto kong lagi kita nakikita. Wow. Ito, I like this one too kasi moon lover. I like the moon. Yes.
Tama. Moon lover.
Gusto ko rin yung sulat dito. Sa'yo sulat dito. Ano ba siya? Sansadi, are you?
Ay, saan sa di? Person ka ba?
Okay, next. Flirty. This one's
Okay, flirty. Okay, next up, we have Go Brent.
From Ellie Fulio. Would you rather be a baby goat or a matter baby?
27 minutes ago, saan yan?
Would you rather be a baby goat or a matter baby?
What's the matter, baby?
Matter baby?
Peter gets... Okay, ito yung context, Brent. Ito yung context. Kailangan mo sabihin, what's the matter, baby? Ganon, okay. Try mo, Brent.
What's the matter baby? What then?
Yes, ganon yun.
That's enough.
Okay, isa pa. What's the matter, baby?
Alright. What's the matter baby? Hindi ko kayo paniwalaan kasi hindi ko gets yung una.
Okay.
Flirty.
Flirty. Okay, thank you so much, Ellie Fulio. Next up, this is our second to the last pick-up line. Go, Brent.
Ha? Ano yung basahin? Parang bashing ata ito.
Basher.
From Honey Bee Cutie. Para sa akin, pangit ka. But, pangit is silent.
Oh.
Para sa akin ka. Para sa akin ka rin. Okay, flirty.
Flirty. Okay, approve kay Brent. Ito naman. I think this is our last. Okay? Let's see.
Silent kasi siya, di ba? Tahimik lang. Tahimik lang kasi siya.
Sabihin mo na, Brent! Or gusto mo isang fanay na magsasabi sa'yo?
niyo lumandi.
Yes. Ang galing ninyo. And syempre, kailangan
Bago tatayo tayo na lang ko, hindi pareho tayo nahihiya eh. Pareho tayong malandi.
Yes! Okay, gusto ko malaman, sino ninyo yung mga malandi? Grabe, hindi pa sila nahiya. Bongga. Diba? Okay. Pero syempre, ito naman, Brent. Kinakaya ko ba ng segment? Ito, masaya to, I promise. Okay, so we are going to play a game. At ang game na to, I am so sure lahat kayo gustong sumali. I swear, okay? So ito, this is called Fantasy Fulfilled. Okay? So, syempre, tatawag kami ng 5 fans to join us here on stage. So let's call them in. Yes, please come up on stage for our Fantasy Fulfilled game. But before anything else, syempre may pakonting interview portion tayo, okay? Hello po. Okay. Hi po. Ayun. Ano naman ang kumpanya si Brent?